Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the NOCO Boost PRO GB150 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. The GB150 is a portable 3000 ampere lithium-ion jump starter for gas engines up to 9 liters and diesel up to 7 liters. It's rugged, water-resistant, IP65, features high-discharge lithium technology, and comes in a lightweight 7.5-pound compact design perfect for cars, trucks, boats, and RVs. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Boost PRO GB150, battery clamps, microfiber storage bag, USB Type-C cable, user manual, product description, internal battery lever, error LED, power button, power LED, light mode button, voltmeter, boost LED, manual override button. How to use. First, attach the clamps to the battery, red to positive, black to negative. Next, turn on the unit. The charge LEDs will charge, and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating that boost has detected the battery and is ready to jumpstart. Then, start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on power, turn off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. First, locate the charging options on the left side of the unit. There is a 12-volt fast charge port and a micro USB port. Connect the fast charge cable to boost and plug the 12-volt car adapter into a vehicle's 12-volt port to start charging. Boost can also be charged from a standard USB port. Connect the micro USB cable to boost and plug the other end of the cable into a phone charger, 12-volt car adapter, USB car charger, computer, or any other powered USB port. Once charging, the charge LEDs will slowly pulse. A full charge will take approximately 2.5 hours using fast charge or 11 hours with USB. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.